How to add background music to Instagram Reel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Instagram. Click on plus button at the bottom, which will enable your gallery. Simply click on the video you want to post as Reel. Then at the bottom, you'll find music icon. Click on it. Then you'll find different musics in here. You can also click on search music at the top and search for the specific music. If you want, simply click on the music and press on arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, simply select which part you want and press on done at the top right corner of your screen. Press on the screen and hold on upwards. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the audio in the timeline and go to volume. In volume, adjust the volume. Simply decrease it as a background. Press on done at the bottom right corner of your screen and the music will be played as background and not too overwhelming. This is how to add background music to Instagram Reel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.